Coming to the Salter-Harris classification for growth plate injuries in children, I will tell you a way how to understand this in a simple way. Salter-Harris type 1 is a slip of epiphysis. Type 1. Salter-Harris type 2 is a slip along with a metaphyseal part. It is the commonest type. It is also called as Thurston-Holland type. They will ask you this question. Commonest, commonly asked. Salter-Harris type 3 is a split of epiphysis into two parts. Salter-Harris type 4 is a split of epiphysis along with the metaphysis. And type 5 is a vertical crushing injury where the growth plate gets damaged. 5 physis gets damaged. Type 1, look here carefully. You can write a 1. Type 2, you can write a 2. Type 3, you can write a 3. Type 4, you can write a 4. Boom. That's how you get it in your head. Practice. Teach your friends, your girlfriends, your boyfriends. You will never forget it. But practice. Commonest, type 2. Maximum chances, type